How to recover Gmail account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to recover your Gmail account password. So in order to recover your Gmail account password, follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go ahead and open up your Google application or use any of these Google account, and then tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. While you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and go to add another account. Then you need to go ahead and tap on add account to the device, and after that you need to go ahead and check in all of these, verify your information and all that. Now you need to provide in the email address for which you actually want to recover the password. So let me go with this one. Tap the next button, mark on the terms and conditions. Now right on this page, it's going to ask you to enter in the password since you've forgotten your password. So click on forgot password, located right at the bottom, and you'll be asked to provide in the last password that you remember. If you're unable to do this procedure, then click on try another way. So right on this page, it's going to ask you to enter in the recovery email address so that a link could be sent to the following email address. So you have to provide in the email address or the recovery email address and click the send button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a verification code which you have to enter in, and you'll be promoted to next step where you can actually go ahead and create a new password. So that is how you can recover your Gmail account password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.